Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. Wavykid. Yeah, it's the way. It's the way. It's the way.
Do y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
YouTube, we back with another haircut tutorial, man. Y'all already know how I've been going with these lately. I've been going off with the haircut tutorials, man. But yeah, this time we're gonna do a high blowout taper with the hair on top and line up in the back. So right now, I just started with the bottom of my vertical bar, went up a little bit and then came back down towards the line in front of the ear. So we're just gonna make that little rainbow shape. Right now I'm debulking. I'm about to use the 4-guard close. I used the 4-guard open first, but once I found out that it wasn't taking nothing off, just gonna use that 4-guard open close and just try to create some shape. After you use that 4-guard close, you're gonna go under it a little bit with the 3-guard close. We're gonna go a little bit behind the ear, just because this is how my client wants it. Now we're using the 2-guard open. It's basically fading down, but you know what I'm saying, you're gonna have to start fading up again. So we're using the 2-guard open. Gonna go a little bit behind the ear right there and just try to get that shape that we want. Now we're gonna clean up the stubbiness. Use my hitters, just going up all the way to the bald line. Then we're gonna use our shavers and go a little bit under that line that we just made with our hitters. Now I'm using my lever open, okay? Going up about a 1/2 inch. After we do that, we're gonna use our corners of the blade only and just flick out that bottom line. And then after we do that, do a little bit of detail work if you need it and just perfect that panel right there before you go into the next step. Now we got the 1-guard closed. So with the 1-guard, what you want to do is go up a tad bit with the 1-guard close, but you want to have some room to fade with the 0-guard close. So you go up a little bit with the 1-guard close, then you want to notch it down, go up to the next notch. You're going to go up a little bit more, go up to the next notch, you go up a little bit more. You keep doing that until you get to the 1-guard open. Once you get to that 1-guard open, that whole side should be almost basically faded out, okay? You should only have to do detail work from there on. So right now, we need a little bit more shape. The fade could be a little bit blurrier, so I'm going to use my 0-guard close and do a little bit more detail work from that lever open to that 1-guard close. Just going to clean up some work, and then we're going to add a little bit more shape just by doing more detail work and lining up the vertical bars, giving it some basically line up the vertical bars. Just going to bring out the dark spots in the taper. So yeah, just want to get everything as clean as possible before we do anything else. So now we're just gonna line this up. I did knock down the lining part, like the whole everywhere I'm about to line up right now. I knocked that down to a 1-guard open, so make sure y'all do that. It'll just give it longevity and make the cut last longer. On the other side, just gonna speed it up because I already told you guys what to do. Yeah, so let me talk to y'all real quick. My man's Jamon, y'all see him standing right next to me, man. That's been my boy since like basically birth. We used to live across the street from each other. Always just like we was just always cool. We was always been close. Yeah, so now my boy in college now, so he playing the basketball team. Whenever he come get his cut, he always bring a couple people with him. So I appreciate you, my boy. You already know what it is, man. creating some shape, freehanding it, giving it the shape that I'm trying to give my client a specific look. So we're just gonna try to create that shape and give it the look that I'm looking for. Now it's time for the lineup part. I'm gonna teach y'all how to apply enhancements for it to last longer. Okay, he got a little braid in the front. I was gonna cut it off, but that's not what he wanted. So we're gonna pick out the front and then we're gonna freehand it just to get some of that overhang off. Okay, after we do that, we're gonna get that hairline ready to get laced. Alright, just gonna get everything clean as possible, and I'm gonna show y'all how to get that enhancement to last long. So you're gonna comb that front edge down, use that one guard open, and go down on the part that you comb down for that hairline. For that edge up. I see how I put the hairspray on there and blow dry it, put a little bit more hairspray on it, and then, you know what I'm saying? So first I put the hairspray on it, I brushed it in right here, this is what I'm doing, alright? Then I'm gonna apply a little bit more hairspray, and then I'm gonna blow dry it. That's how you get that real crispy look, real crispy ash line before you even gotta apply enhancements, okay? Make sure everything is dry before you even start lining it up. As y'all can see, man, this edge up's coming out real crispy without the enhancements. So now this is where the enhancements are gonna last. What you wanna do is brush that front line. You can do this on any haircut. Brush that front line back, like against the grain, okay? So 245 no drip is it's waterproof and it's made to stain the skin. So what you're gonna do is get that enhancement on the roots, like on the actual like skin. After you apply that, you want to blow dry it before brushing the hair back down on top of it. That'll basically use the hair as like protection. So the 255 is waterproof, plus it is stain the skin, plus the hair will be on top of it to protect it from, you know, walking outside or anything like that. This is how you get that enhancement to just last as long as possible. You can do this on anybody, any texture of hair. I'm just giving y'all everything that I learned and giving it right back to y'all. So I see I applied the enhancement. You're gonna blow dry it and then brush that hair right back on top of it. Gonna reline it, get it as clean as possible. This is really, you know what I'm saying, this is how you get new clients. I just give them that look that they really want and something that they can't get from nobody else. I feel like enhancements is the way to do that, because most people be hating on enhancements. If you use it the right way, I really think enhancements can make the cut look way better. So I seen the cut was already dope without enhancements, so we just, with that enhancement, we just brought the cut to another level. Alright, y'all, this is the after, man. Let me know how y'all I cannot speak on these voiceovers, man. Let me know what y'all think about the cut. Let me know how y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. You know what? I'm done. I'm done. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe if you're new. Subscribe if you're new. Comment what you think. Like if you like the video. You can dislike if you want to. Okay? Because I know I cannot talk right now. But I wanted to sponge the top of the hair, but he didn't want to. So, yeah. Y'all just let me know what y'all think. Alright? Triple Wavykid, I'm out. Deuces.